Lego Ideas old fishing store. You can see that it's 2,49 pieces and the number is 21310 and the ages are 12 plus. I have all the things I need. Pieces, stickers, platform, and a book. Now let's start building. In the front, you can see that there's a playful cat and an anchor. And there's some stairs to the porch that goes around the side and into the back. On the back, there are some windows. And in the side, there is a sign that says Gone Fishing. And I have a very special surprise for you. The wall could open. And inside is all the fishing stuff you need to go fishing. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you like it.